Hey guys, so today we're checking out the J&L 3.0 black oil separator for the driver's side, fitting all 2016 and newer 3.5 liter Toyota Tacomas. And this will definitely be something to check out if you have a stock or modified engine and you want to reduce the oil sludge from making its way back into your engine and increasing engine protection for better performance and solid longevity. Now you may not realize it, but the oily vapors on their way out of your engine can sneak back in through the PCV system, which can create buildup over time and can bog down your engine's performance. Now again, that is going to happen over time, but what this will do is capture the oily air created in combustion, separate the oil from the air, and trap the oil in the catch can before it's routed back into your PCV. Now that will eliminate all of that potential engine sludge, and this specific option by J&L will feature a quality design to do just that. The catch can will have a solid billet aluminum construction with a black anodized finish, and on the inside is going to feature a dual filter optimizing filtration. And the mesh and honeycomb aluminum filter will condense that oil, pushing it down into the catch can, eliminating all of that excess sludge. And this will hold up to 3 ounces of oil, which can easily be emptied out every 3,000 miles or so, just like an average oil change. Now J&L made this very simple. All you have to do is unscrew the base, dump the excess oil, and thread it back on for very easy maintenance. The base will also be textured down at the bottom to make sure that it's just that much easier even if it is oily. This will also include a rubber O-ring on the top and heavy-duty hoses for leak prevention. Now I would like to call out that this is also not going to be CARB approved, so if you do live in an emission restrictive state, I would just be aware of that. Now as far as the price goes, this is going to come in at roughly $175, which is very average for an oil separator. Now there are a number of different options in the category, however this will have the highest capacity catch can while also being specific to your engine. Now a lot of other options will usually have a universal style fitment, which will be great if you're looking for something a little bit bigger than this or you don't mind that extra work. Most other options in the category are going to have a universal style fitment, which will be great if you're looking for something a little bit bigger than this or don't mind that extra work. But if you're looking for a quality option that's specific to your V6, then this is going to be right up your alley. Now when it comes to install, I'm going to give this a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you about an hour to get the job done with some very basic hand tools. And one of our customers here has actually installed this on their Tacoma, and it's going to walk you through that process step by step. So that's going to wrap it up for my review. Let's go ahead and get into the install.
You're going to need a ratchet with a 10mm socket, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a utility knife. Okay, we need to remove this hose that's on the intake side, just this little clamp. You can do this by hand. So you move this down. So it's like that, and then you should be able to just wiggle and pull it down. Now next, you want to remove that clamp. Again, it's easily done with your hand. Bit of a struggle just because of the area. Once you get it far enough, you should be able to wiggle that hose and it comes right off. Now you'll want to remove this hose just like this. So this piece is on the lower part of the intake, and this connects to the valve cover gasket. Now with that hose removed, you want to cut it in the middle of the bend, the 90 degree, and where the insulation is. So somewhere in the middle. So right there. This is where having a sharp X-Acto knife comes in handy. You just want to cut it if you got 2 pieces like this. Then you'll want to take your shorter hose. You'll want to add some kind of lubricant. I'm using some oil here. Kind of want to put it around this barb like this. And then you'll take one of the hose clamps and you put it over this. And you'll want to use a flathead screwdriver. Kind of that. And you'll want to push that on like so. And then you'll want to tighten down this hose clamp with your flathead screwdriver. So this piece here attaches to the underneath of the intake. So you'll want to kind of line this hose up to where it's going straight up. And then tighten it down. So that one's ready to go. On this longer piece that connects to the valve cover, it's the same thing. A little bit of oil. I want to put it onto this fitting. Just makes it a lot easier. And take your hose clamp. These ones are a little bit cinched down, so we gotta back it out a little bit. I'll put those on there. So I want to visualize where that hose will need to go. So this connects to the intake like so. So you kind of want this one straight up too as well. Like that. And then tighten down the hose clamp. Okay, so now you want to take the one that connects to the back of the valve cover. You want to kind of snake it back there. And then get this hose on the other side of these hoses here like that. And then just push that hose back onto the fitting back there. And then reinsert that clamp. And then you got that. Now you'll want to take the one that goes on the lower part of the intake, and it connects here. And same thing, just want to push it up there, and then you'll see it's now attached under there. And then you'll take the clamp, slide it into place. And so now you'll have these two lines here. So now the smaller hose that's connected to the intake, you'll want to mount it on the side that has the O on this side. Take some lube. I'm using oil. Just makes it easier to put it on these fittings. And as you can see, it's on the O side. You just want to push that in there like so until the hose bottoms out like that. So that's what you got left. And now for the one that connects to the valve cover side, which is your longer hose, same thing. Oil on the fitting here, just like this. Then this one connects on the C side. It just slides up there. This one's a little tougher. Just trying to get it to where it bottoms out on that fitting. So once these go in, they can't get them back off. Okay, now once you get both those hoses attached and seated correctly, you'll want to take now your bracket. It's very nice finishing touches that they did here. They also engraved it here and on the bracket with the 2 provided Phillips head screws. You just put them here on the top. Let's get one started. Let's get it down there. You don't want to snug it down yet. So you want to get the other one started. Now we can snug those down like so. Now you'll want to take the bolt that's been provided in the kit. It's a 10 millimeter, and there's an open spot right on the intake. That's where it's going. Let's get that guy started. Take your 10 millimeter ratchet. Let's get it all the way down. Go ahead and snug it down. Like that. Now, when you want to check this and empty it, you just undo the can here at the bottom. It very easily comes out, so that way it doesn't spill. And you can just take it and empty it out if you need to. And then to put it back in, it's kind of just reverse what you just did.
So that is going to wrap it up for my review and the install of the J&L 3.0 black oil separator for the driver's side, fitting all 2016 and newer 3.5 liter Toyota Tacomas. For more videos and products just like this, remember to always keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.